Welcome to the fourth tutorial on HTML. And today we're going to be looking on creating a table using HTML. Now to get started, when we talk about creating a table is a way you want to display a data maybe on your web page for your user to read properly. A data, when I mean a data, in a top-down order for your user to read and understand properly. So when we're talking of table, let's get started. Creating a table in HTML, you need your table element, table, and also your table closing tag, and then you press enter. And one thing you need after creating your table is the table row, tr element, which is your table row. And then it also has opening and closing tag, and then you press enter. And after your table row, you need a table heading. The heading your user will see. Now to do that, you use th, stands for table heading. Now this your table heading is the heading you want your user to see for them to understand. Now let's say for example we have food. Let's just say this heading is for food. Now let's copy this. Copy again. Then good. And then the next one, we'll name it animals. And then this other one, we'll name it game. And now these are the heading your user will see. The data, these are the heading. We have not yet created the data. These are just the heading. Now we want to create the data. The data will still be inside this table tag, inside. But to create a data, we still need another tr tag. Another table row. A data is also used inside a table row. So to do that, let's do this. You say tr, you press enter, and now to create your data, you use it's a td tag, td, and now this is it. Now for food, we want to create a data now for food. For the first one, this is the first table data, and this is the first table heading. Now we want to create the first data for food. For food now, we can say rice. And now for animals, let's create the second one for animals. Let's copy this. Let's create the second one for animals. For animals, we can say lion. Then for game, we can say TV for game. Now let's load this. Like I said, these are the heading, table heading, and these are the data. I want you to see it now in our web page. Let me load this. Refresh. You can see for food we have rice, for animals we have lion, and for game we have TV. So when a user comes to your page now and sees these kinds of data, he will understand. He knows for food now we have rice. He will know for animals we have lion. He will know for game we have TV. Now you can also add many data here under if you want. You can also do that using the tr tag, the table row. You can also copy this. Let's just copy the tr. You copy this one over here. So that is, you want to add more data. Paste. Now let's change this let's just change this for rice. We already have rice, so let's give this beans. And now for animals, we already have lion. Let's change this to cats. And for game, we already have TV. Let's change it to pad. Now let's load this. Remember, this is another table data. Let's refresh. You can see for food now we have rice and beans. For animal we have lion and cat. and for TV we have, and for game we have TV and pad. So you can see, you can also see the heading is bold, the table heading, the th tag is bold, and the data is smaller. So that's how you create your, that is table for you. That's how you create your table heading and table data. So these are the data and these are the heading. Yeah, so that is it for creating a table using HTML. That will be it for this video, guys. I'll see you guys in the next video.